Ever wondered how a simple kitchen staple like apple cider vinegar can contribute to weight loss? Today, we unravel the mystery behind this popular natural remedy and its role in shedding those extra pounds. Apple cider vinegar, commonly known as ACV, has been making waves in the health and wellness arena. It's not just a dressing for your salads or an ingredient in your marinades. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly in aiding weight loss. One of the significant ways apple cider vinegar supports weight loss is by boosting metabolism. The acetic acid present in ACV has the power to increase the enzyme AMPK. This enzyme is a game changer in the world of health, as it plays a crucial role in burning fat and reducing fat storage. Moreover, apple cider vinegar comes to the rescue by regulating blood sugar levels. It helps prevent those sudden sugar spikes and crashes that often lead to overeating and cravings. By maintaining stable blood sugar levels, it aids in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight over time. But the benefits don't stop there. Apple cider vinegar also acts as an appetite suppressant. When consumed before meals, it can help you feel more satisfied and full, reducing the tendency to overeat and helping with portion control. Now, how can you harness the power of apple cider vinegar for your weight loss journey? It's simpler than you might think. First, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to a large glass of water. Consuming it in this diluted form not only makes it more palatable, but also protects your teeth and throat from the acidity of the vinegar. And don't limit your use of apple cider vinegar to just a drink. Add a splash to your salad dressings, marinades, or even smoothies. It gives a tangy flavor boost while providing its health benefits. Remember, the key to reaping the benefits of apple cider vinegar is consistency. Alongside a balanced diet and regular exercise, incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine can help you achieve your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable way. In summary, apple cider vinegar can be a powerful ally in your weight loss journey. It boosts metabolism, regulates blood sugar levels, and suppresses appetite. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can harness its benefits and pave the way towards a healthier, fitter you. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the power of apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health insights. Until next time, here's to your wellness journey.